To create a standard SOP in the mobile app, start by going to the SOP tab and tapping the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll be presented with three options, and for this example, we are selecting Standard SOP. On the next screen, simply enter a title for your SOP. You'll also see some advanced options there, but we're going to cover those later in the Academy. For now, just go ahead and tap Add First Step. At this point, you'll be given three ways to create the step: camera, gallery, or text-only step. If you choose camera, just take a photo of the process step, or you can use your upload feature from your gallery. You can alternatively add a video of up to 1 minute in length. Sticking with the image though, we will use that image and you can zoom in and out as needed. And then you can annotate it directly in the app. There are many annotation tools available and they're all very simple to use. Next, describe the process step. You can type it in or simply talk to your phone using voice to text. The app will capture everything you say. You can then use Polish with AI to refine the wording. If you use voice to text, the AI will give you a few suggested versions and you can choose the one you like best. That's the basic workflow. And then just tap Next Step and repeat the process until your SOP is complete. Once you're done, that SOP will be available to print in its entirety, view it step by step, or display via one of our QR codes, or simply share a link to the SOP.